Okay guys, so what we have here is a 3/4 torque wrench that stopped ratcheting. This part came loose and we couldn't, it was just locked in one place. So I took it apart and I couldn't figure out, well, I just figured out how to put it back together. So if you look at this, it's at two different sides. So this part, okay, so if you turn it over, this is a flat, the gear come up flat, and there's a little indentation here. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. So basically, so once you get that in there, you see this little groove fits into this little groove here. So you drop this down in there, and this will just go in here. This is the spring to keep it back. And if you look at this piece, this little notch, this is going to push back on that. Once you get that fit in, and it's in there. So what you do is that you put a little bit of blue Loctite in here so that it don't vibrate out over time. Okay, so I have a little bit of blue Loctite there, and you just fit this on. Now you just fit that on and you screw it in, tighten it up. Oh, it's good. Okay, and then you just snug this up and you should be good to go. Let's test it. So this is good. I think this is a snap-on torque wrench, but I'm not 100%. It's a 3/4 torque wrench. So that's it, guys.